What is up, you guys? Welcome to another video. So we're out here in Punta Fuego Yacht Club and we're actually waiting for the Nautique boat, which is right there. Hey! You can see we got May, we got Bianca, and we're gonna be going out in the water in a short while, so stay tuned. Yeah, we got the Nautique boat right there. So we just got on the Nautique boat and we're currently getting ready to go out on the water. So we're heading out, cruising for a bit before I start riding, so yeah, just enjoy the view. To get on the water, we got the board right here. And I'll see you on the water. Wow, what a weekend it was out here in Club Punta Fuego. Such an amazing experience wakeboarding behind the boat with the crew. Shout out to May and Bianca for making all this happen. And also a huge thank you to Asia Yachting PH, and of course Nautique Boats for this opportunity. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you guys have any questions about boat riding here in the Philippines, don't be shy to ask me or message me in all my social media accounts. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all on the next one.